Assalamu alaikum grade 5 students. In science we will study chapter number 3, lungs and respiratory system. This is very important organ system in our body. Mostly lungs make up one of the largest organ in our body. They work with the respiratory system to allow you to take in fresh air, get rid of stale air and even talk. Lungs are in chest, surrounded by rib cage. Rib cage have 12 sets of ribs. Beneath the lungs is a dome-shaped muscle called diaphragm that helps us to inhale and exhale. The internal structure of lungs is very easy to understand. The windpipe is actually connected with nose. Air enters from nose and get in trachea or windpipe. This trachea and windpipe divides into two bronchi, left bronchi and right bronchi. These bronchi end up in alveoli or air sacs. So trachea divides into bronchi. Bronchi are ending into air sacs or bags where exchanges of gases occur. The red colored structures are lungs and the orange colored structure is diaphragm. Alveoli, which are shown here, are actually air sacs, and these are the air bags where the bronchioles are ending. Now, how the inhalation and exhalation of gases occurs. Diaphragm contracts, moves down and air enters in our lungs. Diaphragm expands, move up and the carbon dioxide goes out from our lungs. This is very easy to understand. The arrow movement is telling you how the ribs are moving. Actually, inhalation and exhalation is combined effort of diaphragm, rib cage and lungs. How can you keep your lungs healthy? Because lungs are very important. We breathe with lungs. If our lungs are not working properly, we cannot breathe. And without breathing, we cannot even live for a minute. So, smoking is very injurious for our lungs. Here, in your book, a detailed description is written how smoking is injurious for our respiratory system and especially lungs. Today we will do objective of this chapter, page number 22, fill-ups. The sticky substance produced by the cells in the trachea is called mucus. The sheet of muscles which separates the lungs from the abdomen is called diaphragm. Another name for the windpipe is trachea. When you breathe, you take in oxygen. When you breathe out, you take out carbon dioxide. The air that you breathe out is called exhaled air. At the end of bronchiole are alveoli or air sacs. So here, page number 21, activities answers are written. Today we have to do page number 22 fill-ups and question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of guided question number 2. So what is respiration? You have to pause this video so that you can write answers of these 4 questions neatly in your copies with blue pen and marker. What is respiration? Respiration is the breakdown of food in the presence of oxygen to release energy. This mostly occurs in all cells. Question number 2 is where your lungs are located inside your body and what are their main function. The lungs are located in chest and are protected by rib cage. The left lung is a bit smaller than the right one and gives some space for heart. The main function of lungs is respiration. Question number 3, why do you need to breathe in oxygen? During respiration, oxygen is the only gas that can break down food and give us energy. What is mucus? Mucus is a sticky substance that is produced in the nasal cavity and trachea. Its main function is to stop dust particles to enter in our body. Mucus also acts as a trap for irritants like dust, smoke, or bacteria. Nowadays, we are in lockdown due to COVID, and this is the failure of mucus of most of the people who get this disease. So, work hard, stay kind, play nice, and you can learn this chapter very well. Allah Hafiz.